Salut, welcome back again. Today we are taking indefinite article. Yesterday we treated definite article, so today we are taking indefinite article, and the indefinite article we are taking today is a and an. You know, we have a and an in French, in English, so we are going to take it in French. A in French is un, the same way you pronounce figure 1, un, and an in French is pronounced as une. So let's take example of each of it. So we can have a pen, that's a stylo, a pen, stylo, a pen, stylo. And you can have an orange, that will be un orange, Then we have the plural form of this. The plural form is pronounced as the, D-E-S, the. So in this case, we can have, if I say oranges, so if I want to write it in French, it's going to be deux oranges. You know, I've told you that anytime you have a consonant sound ending a particular word and the following word is starting with a vowel sound, you pronounce it together, and that is why we have those orange.